Good morning, my dear students. Am I audible? So just all of you check your chat box. I am sending neat Google form of the respective chapter, that is microbes in human welfare. So this is a neat Google form. It is just like a mock test. After attending, you will get to know your results. Fine. So in the couple of minutes, we are going to start the session. I hope everyone got the notes yesterday so that you all are well prepared to attend today's CET class. Okay. So I will be sharing the link of the notes also. I know all of you got the notes already. So just for again to check it or ಯಾರು download ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿಲ್ಲ ಅವರಿಗೆ I will be sending the CET notes of microbes and human welfare in the chat box. Yes, my dear students, you can check the notes in this drive link under the heading of biology. So this is CET notes. Fine. So let us start with the our second chapter, that is microbes in human welfare. I hope the screen is visible. Okay. Yes. Fine. Um, so the first question of today goes like this: the microbes in human welfare. All of you be active on your chat box. And one more thing is, until I complete reading questions along with the options, please don't answer in the chat box. I know you all want to answer first. You want to hear your names, but sometimes honest ಆಗಿ ಎಲ್ರು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ಅನ್ಕೋತೇನೆ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಇಟ್, ದ ಅದರ್ಸ್ ಹೂ ಡೋಂಟ್ ನೋ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಅವರು ಅದನ್ನೇ ಕಾಪಿ ಪೇಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ನಾಟ್ ಬಿ ಅ ವರ್ತ್. Okay, word session. That is why I'm requesting everyone to message the answer after I complete reading the questions. Okay? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೊ ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ಗಳು ನಿಮಗೆ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ these videos will be saved on our YouTube channel. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, like our YouTube channel. Then you can see these videos. Okay, and then that time in your free time you can note down the questions and then you can answer well. So ಈಗಲೇ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಪೀಡ್ ಇದ್ರೆ ಈಗಲೇ ನೀವು ಬರ್ಕೋಬಹುದು. Let us proceed to the next question now. The first question of today, CET question: microbes in human welfare goes like this: microorganisms or microbes So microorganisms or microbes are found in option A, soil, air, water inside the bodies of living organisms. B, thermal vents deep in the soil. C, under snow and in highly acidic environments. D, all of the above. So I'm waiting for your answers in the chat box. Yes, Jayashri answered it. Shravani, Shubham. Fine. What about others? Be fast, be fast. Aishu answered it. Yashas answered it. Good. Jyoti answered it fine. So most of you are giving right answers. That is all of the above. Anta. No doubt we can observe and we can find the microorganism everywhere. That is why we will call it as cosmopolitan anta karitave. So the right answer is here option D. That is all of the above. Next question goes like this. The microscopic proteinaceous infectious agents are option A, viroids, option B, prions, option C, protozoans, option D, bacteria. Yes, my dear YouTube students, what is your answer on this? Aishu answered it good. What about others? Yashas, Jyoti. Yes, YouTube students, you can answer in the chat box. ಬೇಗ ಯಾಕೆ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಬೇಗ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನೇಷಿಯಸ್ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಸ್ಕೋಪಿಕ್ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟೆನ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಸೂಕ್ಷ್ಮಾಣು ಜೀವಿಗಳು ಯಾವುದು ಎಂ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ ಅಂತ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಓಕೆ yes YouTube students what is your answer on this okay so the right answer for this is option B that is prions ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನೇಷಿಯಸ್ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷಿಯಸ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ ಸೊ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನೇಷಿಯಸ್ ಇನ್ಫೆಕ್ಷಿಯಸ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೋಟೀನೇಷಿಯಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ the option B will be the right answer. Next question goes like this. Yes, the nutritive medium for growing bacteria and many fungi in the laboratory is called as. What is that nutritive medium is called as? Yes, fine. LN4 for me. Okay, fine. Option A, culture media. B, fermentation media. C, baking media. D, none of the above. Akash, Jayashri, Jyoti answer to it. Ranjita answer to it. Yes, my dear YouTube students, be fast. Yashas, Aishu. Exactly. M. Lakshmi answer to it. The right answer is Pavan answer to it. The right answer is here option A. It is called as culture media. Culture media ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ. So I request everyone to please rename your name. Some of your names are showing as your mobile name. ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮೊಬೈಲ್ ನೇಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಯೂಟ್ಯೂಬ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ನಿಮ್ ನಿಕ್ ನೇಮ್ ಅನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. So I will not get to know what is your exact name. ಮತ್ತೆ ಓದಕ್ಕೂ ಬರಲ್ಲ ಅದೊಂದಿಷ್ಟು ನೇಮ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ರೀತಿ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. So that is why please put your name. Okay. So Lakshmi from YouTube answered it as option D. So the right answer is option A. Next question. Given below is the diagram of bacteriophage. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ bacteriophage diagram ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Which one of the option, all the 6 parts A, B, C, D, E and F are correct? ಯಾವುದರಲ್ಲಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? ಆಪ್ಷನ್ A. Yes, option A, head, B, tail, C, collar, D, pins, E, plate, and F, prongs. B, A is head, B is collar, C is tail, D is plate, E is pins, F is prawns. Then A is head, B is tail, C is collar, D is plate, E is prongs, F is pins. D. A is head, B is collar, C is tail, D is pins, E is plate, F is prongs. Yes, what is your answer on this, my dear students? Jayashri, Ranjita, good. Pavan, M. Lakshmi, Bhuvan, Shravani, Malik Arjun, A. Mudimalla, okay, Mudimalla from YouTube, Lakshmi from YouTube answered to it. Aishu and Akash answered through the Zoom. Okay, let us check the answer. The confusion is between option A and option B. So the right answer is option B. So ಏನಿದೆ option B ಅಲ್ಲಿ you can see here. A is what? Head. B is collar. C is tail. This is tail. Okay. D is plate. Fine. E is pins. Fine. F is prongs. So option B is exactly an accurate answer. Next question goes like this. Fine. Which of the following bacteria convert milk into curd? Propionibacterium shermani, Saccharomyces cerevisiae, Lactobacillus, thermophilic bacteria. The quick response I got from Jayashri, Bhuvan, Shravani, Ranjita. Yes, YouTube students, Jyoti answered to it. Yashas, Lakshmi. Good going, good going. Be fast, be fast. Very good, very easy question and quick response from everyone. Option C, lactobacillus is the right answer. Microorganisms such as lactobacillus are commonly called as ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತಾರೆ? Citric acid bacteria, lactic acid bacteria, tartaric acid bacteria, formic acid bacteria. These are commonly called as what? The first quick response is given by Jayashri Bhuvan, followed by Shramani Kulkarni, then Aishu, Ranjita, Lakshmi Horkeri is active on YouTube, Mallikarjun is active on YouTube, A. Mudimalla is active on YouTube. Good. Pavan, Jyoti, Ranjita also answered it. Good going. So option B is exactly the right answer. Next question goes like this, my dear boys and girls. The most abundant prokaryotes helpful to human in making curd from milk and in the production of antibiotics are the ones categorized as. ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ಇದನ್ನ categorize ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಈ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾನ? ಅವರು ಯಾವ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿಲ್ಲ. A is cyanobacteria. ಯಾವ ವಿಧವಾದ ಬ್ಯಾಕ್ಟೀರಿಯಾ ಇದು? B is archaebacteria. C is chemosynthetic autotrophs. D is heterotrophic bacteria. Yes. Jyoti, Jayashri, Ranjita, M. Lakshmi. Lakshmi Hokeri from YouTube. Yes. Be fast, YouTube students. Aishu. Okay. So all of you answered it as option D, that is heterotrophic bacteria, exactly the right answer. The starter or inoculum is added to the fresh milk in order to convert milk into the curd and improves its nutritional quality by increasing which vitamin? Okay, vitamin B12, protein, calcium, all of these. The quick answer is given by Shravani Kulkarni, M. Lakshmi, Ranjita RB, Aishu, Jayashri. Varsha Katti is on YouTube, also answered as option B. Good. Jyoti, Laddi, Bhuvan, Yashas. So almost all of you answered it as option A. Few of you voted for option B. So let us check the answer. The right answer is here option A, that is vitamin B12. ಆ ಒಂದು ನ್ಯೂಟ್ರಿಷನಲ್ ಕ್ವಾಲಿಟಿಯನ್ನ ಇನ್ಕ್ರೀಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ. Study the following flow chart. ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವ ಫ್ಲೋ ಚಾರ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ. Okay. That shows the formation from milk, formation of milk from curd, and select correct option. Curd is added as an inoculum to the fresh milk. Fresh milk ಗೆ curd ಅನ್ನ add ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. Lab shows growth in milk. Lactobacillus lactic acid bacteria ತನ್ನ ಬೆಳವಣಿಗೆಯನ್ನ ತೋರಿಸುತ್ತೆ. Production of A starts. Production of A. What is this A? We have to tell. Coagulation and digestion of milk protein. Improved nutritional quality by increased what? By increased what? So A is citric acid, B is vitamin B12, A is lactic acid, B is vitamin B12, A is lactic acid, B is vitamin C, A is citric acid, B is vitamin B2. Yes, the quick response is given by Jayashri, followed by Shravani Kulkarni, Yashas, Ranjita, RB, Jyoti, Laddi also answered it. Yes, Challa Mohan is active. Hello, Mohan. Mudimalla is active on YouTube. Salva Arjun Bhuti is active on YouTube. Hello, everyone. So Lakshmi Horkeri, Mudi Malla and Chala Mohan answered it as option B. Pavan answered it as option B. So let us check the answer, my dear aspirants. So the right answer is option B, that is lactic acid and vitamin B12. So ಈ ರೀತಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಗ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ, ಬಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಗಡಿಬಿಡಿಯಲ್ಲಿರ್ತೀರಾ. ಸೊ ರೀಡ್ ಸಚ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಟ್ವೈಸ್. ಎರಡು ಸಲ ಆ ರೀತಿಯ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಗಳನ್ನ ಓದಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಎಸ್, ವಿಚ್ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ is released during the process of fermentation that gives the puffy appearance to dough for making the bread? Very easy question. I expect quick responses from you all. Let us see who answers it first, whether the YouTube students or the Zoom students. Option A, carbon dioxide, B, carbon monoxide, C, oxygen, D, hydrogen. So the first response is given by Ranjita RB, followed with Yashas, then Jayashri, Sharada. So most of you answered it as option A. Mallikarjun is active on YouTube and answered it as option C. Lakshmi Horkeri answered it. So the right answer is option A, that is carbon dioxide. Fine, just a minute. Next question. Toddy, a traditional drink of southern India, is made by A of sap. Yes, yeah. From a B tree. Here A and B refers to. A is fermentation, B is palm. A is fermentation, B is bamboo. A is distillation, B is palm. A is distillation, B is bamboo. Yes, is it clear, Yashas? Jyoti, Shravani, Bhuvan answered it. Is it clear now, Yashas? And okay. So what is your answer on this? So the right answer is here option A, that is fermentation and B palm. Next question goes like this. Swiss cheese is formed by Aspergillus niger, Lactobacillus papillioni, Bacterium shemani, Penicillium roqueforti. The quick response is given by Shravani. Yes, my dear YouTube students, Lakshmi Horkeri answered it as option C. Birappa is active on YouTube. Ranjita, Bhuvan, Yashas, Aishu answered to it. So the right answer is here option C. Option C is the right answer. Right? Next question. Roquefort cheese is formed by ripening with A for a particular flavor. Here A refers to. A is yeast, B is fungi, C is bacteria, D is none of these. Ranjita, Bhuvan, Yashas answered to it. Aishu answered to it. So most of you are voting for option B. Mallikarjun on YouTube answered it as option B. So option B, that is fungi, is a right answer. Next question. Which one of the following equipment is essentially required for growing microbes on a large scale for industrial production of enzymes? A. Sludge digester. B. Industrial oven. C. Bioreactor. D. BOD indicator. Yes, my dear YouTube students, Varsha Katti answered it as option A. Lakshmi Horkeri, option C. Ranjita, Jyoti, Yashas, Aishu, Pavan. So the confusion is between B and C. So let us check the answer here. The right answer is option C, bioreactor. Option C, bioreactor is a right answer. Next question. The alcoholic beverages produced by the distillation of the fermented broth are. ಫರ್ಮೆಂಟೆಡ್ ಬ್ರೌತ್ ಇಂದ ಯಾವ ಆಲ್ಕೋಹಾಲಿಕ್ ಬೆವರೇಜಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? ಎ ವೈನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬೀರ್. ಬಿ ವೈನ್ ವಿಸ್ಕಿ ಅಂಡ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಡಿ. ಸಿ ವಿಸ್ಕಿ ಬ್ರಾಂಡಿ ಅಂಡ್ ರಮ್. ಡಿ ವಿಸ್ಕಿ ಬೀರ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಬ್ರಾಂಡಿ. Rashmi is active on YouTube. Arjun Bhuti is active on YouTube. Yes, the quick response is given by Aishu, Jayashri, Ranjita, Pavan, Jyoti. Good going. Yes, my dear YouTube students. SP Ganesh is active on YouTube. Birappa is active on YouTube. So most of you voted for option C. My dear students, you all are right. Option C, whiskey, brandy and rum are the alcoholic beverages which are produced by the distillation of fermented broth. Next question goes like this. Yes, the which of the following organism is used in the production of beverages like beer, wine, whiskey, brandy or rum? A. Clostridium botulicum. C. Aspergillus niger. D. Saccharomyces cerevisiae. D. Penicillium notatum. What is your response on this? SP Ganesh from YouTube voted for option C. Lakshmi Horkeri is active on YouTube. Good going. Jyoti, Aishu, Shabina answered through the chat box. Very good. SP Shravani is here. Mallikarjun answered it. Ranjita answered it. Great. So most of you answered it correctly. Some of you got confused. Shraddha answered it. The right answer is here. Option C, that is Saccharomyces cerevisiae. Saccharomyces cerevisiae ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ. Yeast is used in the production of citric acid and lactic acid, lipase and pectinase, bread and beer, cheese and butter. The quick response is given by, am I audible, everyone? Ranjita answered it, Shabina Sheikh answered it, Pavan answered it, Birappa, Arjun and Mallikarjun are active on YouTube. Jyoti answered it. Guys, am I audible? Yashas and Jyoti answered it. Good. Aishu answered it. Fine. Whether my voice is clear for everyone? Okay, thank you, Jayashri. So, Swati, I think you got a network problem. Please go to the area where you have a good network coverage. Fine. Option C is a right answer. That is bread and beer. Next question. Brewer's yeast is, what is the name of brewer's yeast? Penicillium notatum, Trichoderma polysporum, Propionia bacterium, Shermani, Saccharomyces cerevisiae. SP Ganesh, Arjun Bhuti, Lakshmi Horkeri are active on YouTube. Good going. Very good. So let us check the answers here. Yashas, Shravani, Yaishu, Shraddha and Shabina are most active on Zoom. Ranjita, right? Very good. So I expect these tireless messages. Option D, that is Pavan also answered it. So option D, Saccharomyces cerevisiae is the right answer. Next question goes like this. Who observed mold growing in unwashed culture plate while working on Staphylococcus bacterium? ಯಾವ ಸೈಂಟಿಸ್ಟ್ ಇದನ್ನ ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ಎ ಅರ್ನ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಚೇನ್, ಬಿ ಅಲೆಕ್ಸಾಂಡರ್ ಫ್ಲೆಮಿಂಗ್, ಸಿ ಲೆಮಾರ್ಕ್, ಡಿ ಫ್ಲೋರಿ. ಎಸ್, ಯಶಸ್, Jayashri, Aishu, Jyoti, Mallikarjun, SP Ganesh, Rashmi is on YouTube. Good going, Lakshmi answered it very good. So most of you are voting for option B, that is Alexander Fleming anta ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. Let us check the answer. ಸೊ ಎಷ್ಟು ಫಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿ ಆನ್ಸರ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಬರ್ತವೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಆಗ್ತವೆ. ಸೊ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಬಿ, ದಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಲೆಕ್ಸಾಂಡರ್ ಫ್ಲೆಮಿಂಗ್, ಇಸ್ ಅ ರೈಟ್ ಆನ್ಸರ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್, ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಆಂಟಿಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ಸ್ extensively used in treat American soldiers wounded in the World War II? ಯಾವ ಆಂಟಿಬಯೋಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು? ಎ ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಪ್ಟೋಕೈನೇಸ್, ಬಿ ಪೆನ್ಸಿಲಿನ್, ಸಿ ಸ್ಟಾಟಿನ್ಸ್, ಡಿ ನಿಯೋಮೈಸಿನ್. Shravani answered it, Shabina Sheikh answered it, Yashas, then Jayashri, Aishu, Mallikarjun on YouTube, Rashmi, Birappa, Lakshmi Horkeri, too much activeness on YouTube. Very good. So most of you voted for option B, penicillin anta. Let us check the answer. Exactly right. Only few of you confused and voted for option C. So option B is the right answer. Next question. Who got Nobel Prize in 1945 for the discovery of penicillin as an antibiotic? Alexander Fleming, Ernst Chain, Howard Florey, all of these. Who got the Nobel Prize? The quick response is given by Yashas, Jyoti, Salva, SP Ganesh, Rashmi, Arjun from YouTube. Yes, Ranjita, RB, Pavan also answered to it. Shabina and Aishu answered to it. Most of you got confused. Very easy question and the answers are very poor actually. So the right answer is option B. Next question. Antibiotics are used to treat diseases like, ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು antibiotics ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? A diphtheria, whooping cough, B plague, C leprosy, D all of the above. Shabina Sheikh answered it. Yes, my dear YouTube students, do comment in the chat box. Ranjita, Aishu, Pavan, Jyoti, Yashas. So the confusion is between A and D. Okay. So let us check the answer here. Option D is a right answer. Next question. Identify the blank spaces A, B, C and D given in the following table. Right? Given in the following table. Observe the question properly. Types of microbes: bacterium, fungus, C fungus. Scientific name A, B Acidobacteria acetae, Penicillium notatum. Commercial products: bacterium A lactic acid, fungus B citric acid, Acetobacter acetae type of microbe you should say, fungus Penicillium notatum D. So you have to say what is A, B and C. Very quick responses from everyone. Shabina, Ranjita, Aishu, Yashas, Jyoti already answered to it. Mallikarjun, SP Ganesh, A Mudimalla from YouTube. Then Arjun Bhuti on YouTube are too much active. Very good. So most of you voted for option A. A is Lactobacillus. Okay. B is Aspergillus niger, citric acid, fine. C is bacterium, great. D is penicillin. Okay. So let us check the answer. My dear boys and girls, The right answer is here option A. Fine. Next question. Which one of these microbes is used in commercial production of butyric acid? Butyric acid ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಮೈಕ್ರೋಬ್ ಅನ್ನ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ರಿಡಿಯಂ ಬ್ಯುಟಿಲಿಕಮ್, ಸ್ಟ್ರೆಪ್ಟೋಕಾಕಸ್ ಬ್ಯುಟಿಲಿಕಮ್, ಟ್ರೈಕೋಡರ್ಮಾ ಪಾಲಿಸ್ಪೋರಮ್, ಸ್ಯಾಕ್ರೋಮೈಸಸ್ ಸರ್ವಿಸಿಯೆ. ಶಬೀನಾ, ಶ್ರಾವಣಿ, ಶ್ರದ್ಧಾ, ರಂಜಿತಾ, ಎಸ್ ಪಿ ಗಣೇಶ್, ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ್, Rashmi, Birappa on YouTube are active. Yashas, Aishu also answer to it. Jyoti answer to it. Swati answer to it. Very good, Swati. MS, fine. So most of you answered it correctly. Some of you got confused. So the right answer is here. Option D, that is Saccharomyces cerevisiae is a microbe which is used in butyric acid. A. Mudimalla Lakshmi Horkeri is also active on YouTube. Salva answered it. Rashmi answered it. Let us proceed to the next question. Which of the following is correctly matched for the product produced by them? Acetobacter acetae antibiotics, Methanobacterium lactic acid, Penicillium notatum acetic acid, Saccharomyces cerevisiae ethanol. Correctly match ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Mallikarjun, SP Ganesh are active on YouTube. Yes. SPS Shravani, Ranjita, Shabina Sheikh, good going. Yes, be fast, be fast. Come on, my dear boys and girls. Mallikarjun, Birappa also answered on YouTube. Yashas also answered to it. Swati MS answered to it. So most of you are voted for option D. Always right. Option D is the right answer. Next question. Choose the incorrect pair. ತಪ್ಪಾಗಿರುವ ಒಂದು ಜೋಡಿಯನ್ನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ. Lipases used in detergents for removing oil stains. Pectinases and proteases used in clarifying bottled juices. Statins competitively inhibit the enzyme responsible for cholesterol synthesis. D. None of the above. You have to choose incorrect pair. A. Mudimalla and Arjun Bhuti, Lakshmi Horkeri are active on YouTube. So the quick response is given by Swati MS, Ranjita RB, Aishu, Yashis. Most of you are voting for option D, that is none of the above. Great. Fine. SP Ganesh, Mudimalla, Birappa, Arjun Bhuti are also voting for option D. Shabina Sheikh also voted as option D. Always right. Option D is the right answer. Next question. ಎಲ್ಲ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ. Which of the following is used as a clot buster for removing clots from blood vessels? Patients who have undergone myocardial infarction. A. Ethanol. B. Statins. C. Cyclosporin A. D. Streptokinase. Quick response is given by Shravani Kulkarni, followed with Ranjita, Shabina, Aishu, Yashis, Jayashri, Swati MS. Yes, YouTube students, be fast, be fast. Salva answered to it. Good. Fine. So the right answer is here. Option D. Streptokinase ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಾಟ್ ಬಸ್ಟರ್, ಕ್ಲಾಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ, ಮಯೋಕಾರ್ಡಿಯಲ್ ಇನ್ಫ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬ್ಲಡ್ ವೆಸಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕ್ಲಾಟ್ಸ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ, ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸ್ಟೆಪ್ಟೋಕೈನೇಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ. ಮಲ್ಲಿಕಾರ್ಜುನ್, ಎ ಮುದಿಮಲ್ಲ, ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ ಹೊರಕೇರಿ, ಎಸ್ ಪಿ ಗಣೇಶ್ are active on YouTube. So understand the question properly. The right answer is option D, that is streptokinase. Next question. Identify the blank spaces given below. Okay na. Types of microbes. Fungus ide. Scientific name we have to say. Product Cyclosporin A. Medical application we have to say. Then type of microbe we have to identify. Scientific name is Monascus purpureus. Product form is statin. Medical application is option D. So you can read out the option and let me know the answer. Yes, SP Ganesh, Mallikarjun, Lakshmi Horkeri are active on YouTube. Jyoti, Shabina Sheikh, Ranjita RB answered quickly. Very good. What about others? Be fast. 13 students are there and I'm getting 7 to 8 messages only. Aishu, Yashas, and I have many students on YouTube. I am getting only 4 to 5 this one. Responses. Mallikarjun, SP Ganesh, B Rappa are active on YouTube. Shraddha Padamukhi, then Shravani Kulkarni, Pavan, Swati MS are also answered to it. So most of you voted for option A. Few of you selected as option D. B Rappa answered as option A. So let us check the answer here. Bírappa and others who answered as A are right. Option A ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನದು ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಏನಿದೆ ಎ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಟೈಕೋಡರ್ಮಾ ಪಾಲಿಸ್ಪೋರಮ್ ಇದೇನ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ ಸೈಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಪೋರಿನ್ ಎ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಆಕ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆಸ್ ಅ ಇಮ್ಯುನೋಸಪ್ರೆಸಿವ್ ಏಜೆಂಟ್ ಆರ್ಗನ್ ಟ್ರಾನ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲಾಂಟ್ ಆಗುವಾಗ ಬೇರೆ ಆರ್ಗನ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಅದರ ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಆಂಟಿಬಾಡೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ ಸೊ ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಇದೇನ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ ಸಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ ಇಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಸ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ದಟ್ ಆರ್ಗನ್ ರೈಟ್ ಸಿ ಈಸ್ ಈಸ್ಟ್ ಅದು ಮೊನಾಸ್ಕಸ್ ಡಿ ಇಸ್ ಕೊಲೆಸ್ಟ್ರಾಲ್ ಲೋವರಿಂಗ್ agent exactly so option A is a right answer. Next question. Sewage contains large amount of A and B. Here A and B refers to A is inorganic matter, B is bacteria. A is organic matter, B is pathogenic microbes. A is organic matter, B is virus. A is inorganic matter, B is pathogenic microbes. Yashas, Shravani, Kulkarni answer to it. A. Mudimalla, Lakshmi Horkeri, Mallikarjun are active on YouTube. Rashmi and Salva answered it. Swati MS, Aishu answered to it. So the right answer is here. Answer B, that is organic matter, pathogenic microbes is a right answer. Primary treatment of waste is the primary treatment andre enu physical removal of large and small particles from sewage, biological removal of large and small particles from sewage. C both A and B. D is chemical removal of large and small particles from sewage. Swati MS answered it as option A. Rashmi and Mallikarjun are active on YouTube. Shabina Sheikh, Aishu yes. Let us check the answer. Answer A, that is physical removal of large and small particles. A. Mudimalla, Lakshmi Horkeri are active on YouTube. So the right answer is here, option A. ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ರಿಮೂವಲ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅವರು ನಮಗೆ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಹೌದಾ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ರಿಮೂವಲ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಬೈ ಯೂಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದಟ್ ಬ್ಯಾರಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೀವೇಜ್ ದ ಫ್ಲೋಟಿಂಗ್ ಡೆಬ್ರಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ಡ್ ಬೈ sequential by passing through wire mesh screens. The most appropriate word for filling the blank is filtration, sedimentation, condensation, evaporation. Mallikarjun is active on YouTube. Yes. SP Ganesh, Ranjita, Yashash, Shravani Kulkarni, Swati, Shabina, Jayashri, Aishu answer to it. So most of you voted for option A. Right? Yes, YouTube students. Lakshmi Horkeri Birappa is active on YouTube. Good. So the right answer is here. Option A. Option A, filtration ಅನ್ನೋದು. Next question. In the primary treatment of sewage, the soil and small pebbles are removed by soil ಮತ್ತೆ pebbles ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಕಲ್ಲುಗಳನ್ನ ಯಾವ ರೀತಿ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? A is filtration, B is sedimentation, C is condensation, D is evaporation. Yes, SP Ganesh, Mallikarjun, Rashmi are active on YouTube. Swati MS, Shabina Sheikh, Shravani Kulkarni, Aishu, Ranjita RB answered to it. So most of you voted for option B. Salva answered to it. Good going. B Rappa, very good. Nice. Next. Jyoti, Ranjita answered to it. Great. Most of you answered it correctly. Very easy question and very quick responses. Mallikarjun and Lakshmi Horkeri answered to it. Don't get confused. Option B, sedimentation is the right answer. ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಿಲ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಮುಖಾಂತರ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ಆಗಿ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಏನಂತಾರೆ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ನ. ಬಟ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಪೆಬಲ್ಸ್ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಮಣ್ಣು ಮತ್ತೆ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಚಿಕ್ಕ ಕಲ್ಲುಗಳನ್ನ ಸೆಡಿಮೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ಮೂಲಕ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀರ್ ಮೇಲ್ಗಡೆ ತೇಲುತ್ತೆ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಈ ಒಂದು ಹೆವಿ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಸಾಯಿಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಆ ಕಲ್ಲುಗಳೇನಿರ್ತವೆ ಹೆವಿ ಆಗಿರ್ತವೆ ಅವು. ಸೊ ದೀಸ್ ವಿಲ್ ಸೆಟಲ್ ಡೌನ್, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಾವು ಸೆಡಿಮೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. ಸೊ ಫಿಲ್ಟ್ರೇಷನ್ ಫಾಲೋಡ್ ವಿತ್ ಸೆಡಿಮೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ಯಾವ್ದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ? ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಗೋಸ್ ಲೈಕ್ ದಿಸ್: ವಿಚ್ ಒನ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಇನ್ ಸೀವೇಜ್ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಸಸ್ಪೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ಸ್? ಯಾವುದು ಸಸ್ಪೆಂಡೆಡ್ ಸಾಲಿಡ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಮಾಡತ್ತೆ? ಟರ್ಷರಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, sludge treatment. Quick response is given by Swati MS, good, Ranjita, Jyoti, Jayashri, Shravani Kulkarni, Salva on YouTube, SP Ganesh on YouTube are answering to it. Yes. Okay, Yashas. Aishu, Swati, MS answer to it. So most of you answered it correctly. Option C ಅನ್ನೋದೇನಿದೆ, that is what we can say primary treatment is a right answer. Next question: in the biological treatment, just a minute. In the biological treatment of sewage, the masses of bacteria held together by a fungal filament to form mesh-like structure. ಈ ಒಂದು mesh-like structureಗೆ ನಾವೇನಂತ ಕರಿತೇವೆ? A is activated sludge, B is aerobic process, C is flux, D is anaerobic sludge. SPS Shravani Kulkarni, Ranjita RB, Shraddha, Jayashri answer to it. Good. Most of you are answering A. Mudimalla on YouTube, SP Ganesh on YouTube, Salva from YouTube are active. Swati, Aishu answer to it. Right answer. Option C ಅನ್ನೋದು ಸರಿಯಾದ ಉತ್ತರ. It is called as flux. Next question. Okay, quite bigger one. ನೀಟಾಗಿ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ. ಚೂಸ್ ದ ಕರೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಪ್ಷನ್ ಟು ಫಿಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಬ್ಲಾಂಕ್. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಏನಿದೆ? ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೀವೇಜ್ ಇನ್ವಾಲ್ವ್ಸ್ ಫಿಸಿಕಲ್ ರಿಮೂವಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾರ್ಜ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸ್ ಥ್ರೂ ಎ ಅಂಡ್ ಬಿ. ಎ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, ಬಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ಎರಡನೇ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟು: ಮೈಕ್ರೋಬ್ಸ್ ಕನ್ಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮೇಜರ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯಾನಿಕ್ ಮ್ಯಾಟರ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಎಫ್ಲುಯೆಂಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ರೆಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಸಿ ಆಫ್ ಸೀವೇಜ್. ಸಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಥರ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್: ಡಿ particularly E anaerobically break down cellulosic material and produce carbon dioxide and hydrogen anaerobic sludge during F treatment. DEF ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. When BOD of sewage has reduced, the effluent is passed into G. G ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? Here A to G can be. So A to G ಏನೇನಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. So Swati MS, Jayashri, Ranjita, Birappa, A Mudimalla answer to it. Mallikarjun, Salva answer to it. So A here is filtration. So let us check the answer here. The right answer is option D. A is filtration, B is sedimentation, C is BOD, D is methanogens, E is methanobacterium, F is sewage treatment plant, G is settling tank. So option D is a right answer, correctly answered by Lakshmi and Birappa on YouTube. In sewage treatment, bacterial flocks are allowed to sediment in settling tank. This sediment is called as, ಈ ಒಂದು sediment ಗೆ ಏನಂತ ಕರೀತೇವೆ? Activated sludge, primary sludge, anaerobic sludge, secondary sludge. SP Ganesh answer to it. Ranjita, SPS Shravani, Mallikarjun on YouTube, Shraddha, Aishu. Yes, be fast YouTube students. Birappa, Mudimalla. Okay. Swati MS. So most of you answered it as option A Anta. Let us check the answer. Rashmi is active on YouTube. Answer A is the right answer. Next, see to the diagram and see to the options. Given below is the flow chart of sewage treatment. Identify A, B, C and D. Okay. Okay. So primary treatment, primary sludge effluent from primary settling tank. Secondary treatment ಅಲ್ಲಿ A ಆಗತ್ತೆ, A ಇಂದ B ಆಗತ್ತೆ, together they form flocks, flocks to C and via sedimentation D, E biogas formation. So you have to say what is A, B, C, D and E. Mallikarjun is active on YouTube. SP Ganesh, Lakshmi, Horkeri is active on YouTube. Yes, my dear Zoom students, what is your response on this? Shabina, Jayashri, Ranjita. Yes, most of you answering it as option A. Few of you voted as option D. Shravani, Swati, MS, good. So most of you voted for option D, Anta. So option D, that is large aeration tank. B is mechanical agitation. C is reduced BOD. D is activated sludge. E is anaerobic sludge digesters. So option D is the right answer. Next question. Primary sludge andre enu? Possess flocks of decomposer microbes. A. Mudimalla also answered correctly. B. Requires aeration for the formation. C. Involves little decomposition. D. Forms during secondary sewage treatment. ಅವ್ರು ಕೇಳ್ತಿರೋದು primary sludge ಬಗ್ಗೆ, primary treatment ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲ. SP Ganesh answer to it. Aishu answer to it. Jyoti answer to it. Ranjita, Jayashri, Shabina Sheikh, Pavan, Shravani. So most of you answered it as option D. Some of you answered it as option A. SP Ganesh, Mallikarjun, Lakshmi, Horkeri. So SP Ganesh and Mallikarjun voted for option C. A. Mudimalla answered as option B. So let us check the answer. Who is right? Option A, possess flocks of decomposer microbes, is a right answer. Next question. During sewage treatment, biogas is produced, which includes biogas ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೇನಿರುತ್ತೆ? A. Methane, hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide. B. Methane, oxygen and hydrogen sulfide. C. Hydrogen sulfide, methane and sulfur dioxide. D. Hydrogen sulfide, nitrogen and methane. Swati MS answered quickly. Mallikarjun, SP Ganesh are active on YouTube. Aishu, Ranjita, Shraddha, Jayashri, Shabina, Sheikh. So some of the votes are for A, some of the votes are for D. Pavan, Jayashri, Lakshmi Horkeri, Abdul Mudimalla is active on YouTube. So the right answer is here. Option A, methane, hydrogen sulfide and carbon dioxide. Hydrogen sulfide, nitrogen ಇರೋದಿಲ್ಲ ನೆನಪಲ್ಲಿ ಇಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. So option A is the right answer. Next question. Okay. Microbes are used in ಯಾವ microbes? ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಬ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ ಪ್ರೈಮರಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೀವೇಜ್, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೀವೇಜ್, ಥರ್ಡ್ anaerobic sludge digesters. Rashmi is active on YouTube. SP Ganesh is active on YouTube. Anaerobic sludge digester. Fourth is production of biogas. Choose the correct option. ಯಾವ ಸ್ಟೇಜಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೇವೆ? Quick response is given by Aishu, followed by Ranjita RB, SP Ganesh and Rashmi on YouTube. Yes, any other answers? Be fast. Ishtu bega energy kadime aita. Shabina, Sheikh, Jyoti answer to it. Most of you answering it for option C, Anta. VM Akshata is on YouTube. Lakshmi Horkeri answer to it. So option C, that is 3, 2, 3 and 4. ಸೆಕೆಂಡರಿ ಟ್ರೀಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್, ಆನೆರೋಬಿಕ್ ಸ್ಲಡ್ಜ್, ಪ್ರೊಡಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಬಯೋಗ್ಯಾಸ್. ಈ ಮೂರರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಮೈಕ್ರೋ ಆರ್ಗಾನಿಸಮ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಾಣ್ತೇವೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. BOD ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಮೆಷರ್ಸ್ ದ ರೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಬೈ ಮೈಕ್ರೋಬ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ಸೊ ದ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ BOD ಆಫ್ ಸ್ಯಾಂಪಲ್ ವಾಟರ್, ನಾವು ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತಹ ನೀರಿನ BOD ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನಂತ ಇಂಡಿಕೇಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? It is highly polluted, it is not polluted, it is moderately polluted, pollution level cannot be determined. The quick response is given by Shabina, Sheikh, Ranjita, RB, SP Ganesh, Mallikarjun. Aishu, Jyoti, Laddi answer to it. Okay. So the right answer is here. Option A, that is, it is highly polluted. Okay. So BOD ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು? ಅಪ್ಟೇಕ್ ಆಫ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್. BOD ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇತ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಆ ಒಂದು ನೀರಿನ ಪೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ. Which of the following plan has been initiated by the Ministry of Environment and Forest to protect the rivers from water pollution? ಯಾವ ಪ್ಲಾನ್ ಅದು? ಗಂಗಾ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್, ಯಮುನಾ ಆಕ್ಷನ್ ಪ್ಲಾನ್, both A and B, none of the above. Shabina Sheikh answered it. Rashmi on YouTube is active. Aishu, Shravani Kulkarni, Mallikarjun on YouTube. Yes. Ranjita, Jyoti answer to it. Option C, both A and B. Ganga action plan, matte what you can say, Yamuna action plan. So both are there. Next question. The most flammable gaseous compound of biogas. ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಫ್ಲೇಮೇಬಲ್ ಯಾವುದು? ಬೇಗ ಉರಿ ಹತ್ಕೊಳ್ಳುವಂತ ಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಯಾವುದು ಬಯೋಗ್ಯಾಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ಮೀಥೇನ್, ಕಾರ್ಬನ್ ಡೈಆಕ್ಸೈಡ್, ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಸಲ್ಫೈಡ್. ಮೀಥೇನ್, carbon dioxide, hydrogen and hydrogen sulfide, carbon monoxide, methane and nitrogen. The quick response is given by Rashmi and Lakshmi on YouTube. Good. Aishu, Swati, Ranjita answer to it. So the right answer is here. Option B. Option B, ಯಾವ್ದು? Methane ಅನ್ನೋದು flammable, most flammable gaseous component. Fine. So guys, most of you were not there in the initial time minutes of a session. So ನಿಮಗೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಜನಕ್ಕೆ notes link ಸಿಕ್ಕಿರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. So please stay tuned in. I will be sharing the notes link. So if you click on it, alva, you can go to that notes link. Just all of you check your chat box. YouTube students, stay tuned in. Yes. So this is the notes. This is a link for the notes, and somehow you have the link for NEET. This one also, NEET form, NEET Google form. Who all are preparing for NEET, you can make use of this mock test link. Please don't forget to mention your name, college name. Otherwise, your form will not be submitted and corrected. So here you have the form link. Fine. Okay, then here we completed the CET questions on microbes in human welfare. Let us meet tomorrow with a new concept. Okay, let me end up the session here. Did you enjoy the session? Am I too fast? Okay, then. Yeah. So if you want these questions, you can see our YouTube videos, subscribe and like to our channel so that you will get access to all the videos. Yeah. Let me end up the session here. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.